Greetings, my friends. Alex here. Today we are in some secret location, and we have a very interesting brain. We have some wires. It might look terrible, but this brain is constantly improving every day. This brain can control 7 different sectors, and I'll tell you about this. So, what does it controls? This brain controls heating to some temperature. In 7 sectors, 24/7, every day. And the most cool thing, I think, is that now I'll show you step by step everything what I'm allowed to show. What does this thing controls? Come with me. This brain controls one of 5 old control unit. This one's damaged, it will be replaced for a new one. And this control board have 2 modes of working. Automatic or remote control using Wi-Fi and internet, and manual when internet fails. How it works, I'll show you. And everything is working. Let's switch on an automatic. Very good. And now I'll show you 2 new units. So it is one of 2 new units. It looks almost the same, but the thermostat is alive, it's not broken, and it has 2 modes of control: manual and automatic remote control. And now I'm gonna show you how it works using the application. Now, very sorry for the image quality. And now, see, the operator has the tab, and now I will push these virtual buttons and watch what we will get. And we switch on. Perfect. The operator has access to all 7 sectors from 1 to 7, and it can look like this. The operator see the humidity, main temperature and the front temperature. Very cool application, very cool features. I like it really very much. And this application and this brain really helps, and everything is going very good and much more better thanks to this. See you.